Alright guys, so for this video we're gonna look at cotton stem. When I first saw this, I almost swore because just look at the fibrous texture of the cotton stem. Have you ever seen anything like this? Not for me, I have never seen anything so cool. So cotton, something you wear almost every day for a lot of people. They are pretty warm, and if you have ever touched a cotton bulb, you can feel like it's kind of like a marshmallow, except it's harder in terms of the strength that you have to use to pull the things apart. They also feel, so each strip is stronger than marshmallow, but overall they do feel kind of the same. So this is what makes them so strong. The force that these fibers exert within the cotton counteracts your force. That's why you feel like it's harder to pull it. Now let's see the cotton with higher magnification. For this one, you don't see things much differently. The middle level magnification only serves to make the focus smaller so that you can see things more clearly and the things are bigger in your view. But in this case, it's only the holes that became bigger, the lines became thicker, but nothing much different. Let's see what the highest magnification will bring us. You can see the details more clearly. You can see the separation between cells and others. Some cells are significantly larger than others. The cell wall is thick as usual, but this one you see how it's different compared to the onion root epidermis is that they have thicker walls between each column or row, whereas for the onion cells, all their cell walls are equally thick. But for this one, you can almost see them as competing teams. So the team members obviously have less shielding against one another, but for competing teams, you can see that the walls are much thicker, representing that they are more competitive compared to the adjacent cells in each row. So that's something interesting. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys soon.